Hello, Jumbo, Moi, it's me Hilona_KE. Welcome and welcome so much to my YouTube channel. I'm very much glad, I'm very much happy, I'm very much energetic, very much energetic. Welcome so much to my YouTube channel. This beautiful day, the sun is even starting to shine, I'm starting this video at Joy's Garden, at Chocho's Joy's Corner, You see? Beautiful. To my new subscribers, welcome so much. I'm very much glad that you decided to join this video where we inspire each other, we encourage each other, and we have fun. Today I'm harvesting vegetables and I decide to take you with me so that you can see. I've come to realize that if you don't take care of anything, or if you don't take care of the seeds you have planted, whether it is crops or the seeds in life, it doesn't give you good products, good produce. That is it. So in this message, I want to emphasize to people that take care of the seeds you have planted. Personally, we were on holiday and so we planted them, went for an holiday, so they never got the attention they should get. And I have come to realize that in each and everything that I do, I always want to learn and share with my people few lessons here and there. So as we harvest with you, the little we have, I decide to share with you that we planted with you, we are harvesting with you. This is not the first time we are doing the harvest, but this is it the third or the fourth time that we are doing this harvest? And I just realized that because the crops didn't get the attention it deserved, it didn't give us the products we waited for. But that is something obvious. If you never weeded them, I have something in my hand. If you never weeded them, if you never the water was too much, as I had said in my previous video, but we have something. That is what it keeps me moving. That even if there is small, they always say that better the small thing which is yours than something big which is not yours. Better the small which is it's yours than the one which is in somebody's land which is not yours. So in this video, I want to encourage you people and tell you that nurture the seeds you have. When I say seed, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's the seed of plants. Even the seeds in your life. You have those special seeds in your life. But before we talk about the special seeds in our lives, let's go to the farm. It's now farm time. Here we had some strawberries. We have already eaten them. Let me give you a tour, a quick tour. Then we harvest with you. Today the sun is coming and going. And very soon we are starting autumn. Very soon summer will be over. Very soon the coldness is coming. As you can see today, I have a light jacket on because it's a gloomy day and everything is changing too fast. That's why it's time now to harvest. Then after harvesting, we go for collecting things, washing the containers. Then it waits for the next spring. That's how the system goes too fast. Nurture the seed. And remember, you are special. Whatever you do it with all your heart. Block time for that activity. Now we have blocked time to harvest these vegetables and blocked this time to give you this information. Let's go for it. Yes. Here it is, Joy's Garden at Chocho's. Here it is. I have already started emptying. The soil from containers. This is where we had planted. This is the soil which we had used to plant the seeds. You remember? Then we got the seedlings which we transferred transplanted them here. Ooh, it's starting to rain. And I did some laundry. We have to go and remove laundry. So we go and get the laundry first because it's coming to rain. What? This rain came too fast. See, it is raining. I did some laundry and it is starting to rain. Let's see. It's dry. So we don't have to make it, leave it here. So we remove the laundry, the clothes. The Kenyan way of anikaring clothes. We also anika clothes here in Finland outside. So let me remove them. The rain started from nowhere. That is Finland. That is Finland for you. You know, in Kenya, we always see rain coming. We see rain coming. For those who watched my last year videos about Kenya, I showed you how the rain really comes. You see rain coming. But here, rain drops. Rain drops. That's why I had to change the store, and we went to remove the clothes from hanging line. Because we are now on clothes, let me ask my fellow Finns one question about when doing laundry. This question is, when you are doing laundry here in Finland, yes, we use machines. My question is, how do you take care of clothes which fade? Clothes which fade, the ones which remove color. How do you treat them? Or how do you treat it so that it does not fade again? Let me show you. In Kenya, we have very smart fabrics. This is one of the fabric, and the ones I already removed them from lining. So my question is, how do you treat a cloth which fades so that it does not fade again? Treatment for clothes which fade. How do you treat it? This is, for example, a blue one, and it has really faded this way. Which kind of treatment do you give? Big question. Yes. Well, I tell you, this is how the weather of Finland can work us out. Now the sun is shining beautifully. After removing the clothes, I had to take them back to the line. But that is how life is. It's not always how we expect it to be. And I have just checked the weather. The weather says that temperature is 13 to 14. It was just a rain which was passing. Because from now onwards, the sun will be shining and cloudy. So let's continue with our video. Nurture the seed that you have planted. Nurture the seed that you have. Nurture that talent that you have. Nurture that idea that you have. This is the encouragement in this video. Even though we have gone, removed clothes, washed clothes, but we are back to the point. Nurture the idea, nurture the talent, nurture the seeds that you have. Let's harvest what we got. Yes. This is how it looks. So this is how the vegetables looks like. I've harvested the other side. The other side I have harvested them. In fact, I was continuing with harvesting. Then all of a sudden everything fall into This is the much I have harvested. I'm continuing to harvest, and this is how we harvest. We take these ones here. So this is Joy's garden at Chochos. It always produces for us beautiful black night shade. And the ones you see down here, because we never weeded them, we have so many small of them here. Small, which were for last year. The seeds which I dropped last year is the ones you are seeing down here. These small ones. That's why when we came back from holiday, we never weeded them, because we saw that there were a lot of small vegetables down here, which we thought that we will get something to eat. Because we never nurtured the ones we had planted, because we were not around. So we decided that we can get something. And for sure we can get. See, for example, this one is what we get from down here. These small ones. So no matter the small the seed was, for last year which dropped, it has given out fruits. It has given out fruits. This is how it is. This is one of my friends always ask me, what have you planted in your garden? What have you planted in your kitchen garden? And I always say that our blacknight shade. How do you cook it? We will one day cook it when the right time comes. We just cook it. It's very important, very special. We cook it just like spinach, peanutty, and it is very nutritious. You see? So my people, I was telling you that nurture the seeds that you have. Try to find out what is your purpose in life. What is your calling? What are the seeds that you have to release them to the ground? You know? What are the seeds that you have to release them to the ground? And it is time to release them to the ground. It's time. Tomorrow will never come, but it is now. It is now. So, as I continue to harvest my vegetables, this one's here, and we had already harvested this one. These ones were the ones we harvested last time. Puna vini Mariat. These ones. And then this one is the gooseberries. Let me show you from this side. And then here also are these ones. Carving nice. The seeds, the fruits. Wow. Very sweet. Ooh. From Joy's garden. Wow. Yes, let me continue doing the harvesting. The weather is trying to change again, but I hope it will not rain. Let me continue doing the harvest and encourage you and tell you what. Nurture the seeds that you have. Nurture the seeds that you have. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, sharing and liking. We are growing together, encouraging each other and always having fun. So, see you in my next video and bye-bye. Kaboosh, we are pushing where? Forward. Bye-bye. Yes.